Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many gardeners consider the best soil blocker set on the market, the OTVX soil block maker. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this tool promises to revolutionize your seed starting process. Let's explore why. The OTVX soil block maker is designed to create 8 small, 2-inch soil blocks effortlessly. Made from high-quality galvanized steel, it's built to last and can be reused season after season. Its simple yet effective design helps in minimizing transplant shock and promoting healthier root systems. Thanks to its preformed seed recess on each block, simply press the soil blocker into moist soil and lever the handle to create perfect seed blocks. It's intuitive and requires minimal effort, making it ideal for gardeners of all skill levels. By using soil blocks instead of plastic pots, you reduce waste and contribute to environmental conservation. It's a cost-effective alternative to disposable containers, suitable for a wide range of seeds including flowers, vegetables, and fruits. The OTVX soil block maker enhances seed germination and survival rates, ensuring robust seedlings. Crafted from durable galvanized steel, this tool is built to withstand years of use without compromising on performance. Its gray finish also makes it resistant to dirt accumulation, keeping it clean and functional. If you're looking to elevate your gardening game and foster healthier plants from seedling to maturity, the OTVX soil block maker is your go-to tool. Its sturdy construction, ease of use, and eco-friendly design make it a must-have for any gardener's toolkit. To sum it up, the OTVX soil block maker stands out as the best soil blocker set available today, combining practicality with sustainability. Whether you're starting a small herb garden or cultivating a vast vegetable patch, this tool ensures your plants get the best start possible. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on innovative products like the OTVX soil block maker. Until next time, happy gardening!